Hello and welcome to My Security TV. My name's Chris Cubbage and we're at Security 2012 Expo here in Sydney. I'm joined by Mr. Dave Walpert, the Chief Technology Officer for Avalius. Dave, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Avalius, tell us all about it.
Well, Avalius is a company that exists to help companies of any type be better prepared. It does that through technologies that we've developed ourselves in Australia, and the goal is to use scenario training technologies mainly to help these organisations rehearse and practice their skills in advance of situations so that when these low-frequency, high-impact events occur, they're ready for them and that they can respond quickly and that they can respond accurately and that they can also respond confidently.
And the scenario-based training, it assists with business continuity planning, disaster recovery, those types of scenarios?
Well, really the scenario training can be applied to any job and any industry. We're focusing on security and emergency management at the moment, and it helps anyone practice any job where they have to interface with people, interface with systems, interface with communications, and bring all of those things together.
And in terms of how are the services delivered, is it something that you've created and that they log in and they do the computer-based training, or is it tailor-made?
Well, we have two technologies, Avalanche ST and Avalanche TTX. They're both off-the-shelf software products that you can purchase and install on your own systems, or we can supply it on hardware. With Avalanche ST, you have the ability to have individuals sitting at their own computers doing their own jobs in real time as a scenario unfolds.
Okay, and can you have that remotely as well?
That can be done remotely.
Yes.
It works across the internet if need be. People can be in completely different locations if they need to be. And that can scale up to 40 people per exercise, and multiple groups can be running concurrent exercises at the same time.
Great. How many programs do you actually have? You have two main programs?
We have two main programs in the area of security and scenario training.
It's computer-based training, but what makes it different to e-learning?
Well, with e-learning, what happens is you're generally teaching or allowing people to practice a specific skill. Generally, e-learning will propose something that you have to do. It'll either walk you through the steps to show you for the first time how to do it, or it'll allow you to try it, where it says push this and then now do this and now engage with this. What our Avalanche ST-based simulations and scenario exercises allow you to do is bring all those things together. We have simulations of the alarm panels and software applications that you use in your job. We have simulations of the phone systems, the radio, two-way radio handsets. We have simulations of email and text messaging and all the things that people in security or any other job have to deal with in their daily job. And the scenarios are unfolding in real time, and they're free to do whatever they would do in real life.
So, and again, the difference with that e-learning is, obviously e-learning is it's a course and they're supposed to have an outcome, whereas these are more simulation and exercises.
That's right.
Where it's a little bit more variable and a bit more dynamic.
It's very much more dynamic. It also it can be used to educate, and it is being used to educate. To walk people through these processes.
And there's a review process at the end?
Yeah, so everything that happens during these exercises is recorded and logged along with the time that people did things. And it can be used for multiple people exercising together as well, not just individuals. So everything is logged, and structured assessment can be performed afterwards. A review can be carried out, an analysis can be carried out, where you can see how long it took somebody to engage procedure 1, 2, 3. And also how long it then took them to notify somebody else that's important to be notified in a particular situation.
Your computer-based training, has it won any awards recently?
Yes, we actually won a New South Wales Eye Award recently, which is an award for innovation in technology and IT. We won it in the e-learning category for our Avalanche ST system, specifically for a project that we had done for the emergency alert network that is run by Telstra,
right.
And for their service desk people to train the mission critical, get it right first every time situations that they have to deal with.
You're finding that the client profiles match, large enterprises, large numbers of people that they have to train, and often in different work locations.
That's right. So we have people using it, everything from big organisations who have to train multiple people in multiple systems and processes, everything from that all the way down to the people who have one specific little job that they have to train, but they have to either train hundreds of people in that job or one very important person in a number of jobs.
Great. Well, business continuity, disaster recovery and crisis management are all key business exercises that all businesses should be doing. So congratulations. It sounds like a fascinating set of products and best of luck for it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, David.
Thanks,
See you, mate.
Chris. Cheers.